Amazing Bodycam videos.
Okay. Hello.
We're going to take you off the aircraft.
Meet you.
Yep, you're going to have to get off the aircraft,
yeah,
okay?
and you're out there,
yep.
And I compliment you in that way.
But she's a representative of the aircraft. They don't want you flying on their plane today, okay? So you're going to have to get off the aircraft.
After they made us wait and wait and wait.
Yeah, that's the way it is, but right now I'm going to need you...
And that's fine, and I will respect that.
Okay. So I'm going to need...
I was on an airplane. I was doing nothing. I was speaking. My mind. I should not.
I need you to grab your bag and just
And
step
I did
off
not
the
do
aircraft.
anything, actually. Disrespect.
We'll talk about it outside.
Disruptive, besides speak my mind.
Okay.
And you know what? I live in America, and that's what fucking America's about.
Calm down.
No, you know
Listen
that.
to me. Grab your bag.
You know that. You know that.
Give me another unit on the plane, please.
If you are ever going to put your hands on me.
Grab your bag.
No, I will grab my bag. But you don't want to sit here and say what I have to say with you.
Listen, no one's going to put their hands on you unless you have to.
You
grab
won't.
your bag and just step off
you
the
won't.
Okay, but I need you to get up.
No.
Okay?
You need me to get up? You may need me to get up, but you know what I feel my need to do as a person? Just like Jesus motherfucking Christ.
You need to calm down.
No, I'm gonna do what I need to do. I'm gonna say what I need to do. And if you're gonna do whatever you feel you need to do to me, right?
You ready?
So I'm gonna say what I have meant to say. No, to everybody.
Stand up, man.
Everybody is
You're
doing
gonna
this.
get arrested if you do not stop.
I'm already gonna get arrested.
You're gonna get arrested if you don't stand up and get off the aircraft.
Probably already gonna get
Do you want to get arrested?
I really
Then stand up and get off the aircraft. That's all you have to do.
It's not about that, man.
Okay.
You can
I'm going to ask you one more time, and then I'm going to have to put my hands on you, okay?
For what reason?
Because you're not
Let me
listening.
ask you that. You're going to put... No. And that's fine, that's fine. Why do you have a right to put your hands on me, though?
Okay, let's go, Ro. Come on.
No, why do you have a right to put your hands on me?
Ma'am,
what am I doing that makes you feel like you have a right to put your hands on me? Seriously, though, can you tell me that?
Tell me deep
Can you just help me to understand as a human that is alive, why do you... Seriously, though.
Yep. Get them off.
Seriously. Why? Can you just tell me that? Like, I'm actually asking you as a person.
At this point, here's what's happening. They're going to deplane the aircraft. I'm going to take you off the plane.
That was already happening.
And you're going to jail, just so you know.
That was already happening.
It won't happen if you get up and walk out with me right now.
Yeah.
But if you're not going to...
Right now, they're going to deplane. As soon as they deplane, you're going to jail, okay? If you do not get up. That's how it's going to work.
Do you see how that's a threatening system?
That's the way it is, man.
That's not cool. I want to trust you. You want to trust me? That's not healing. We're not healing.
Okay, get off the plane.
Come on.
Get off the plane.
Can I trust you to not? I feel like you're still gonna...
Okay. Let's go. Off the plane. Grab your stuff. Grab your stuff.
Are
Get
you
off
gonna?
the aircraft.
Can I trust you?
Listen, have I touched you yet? I'm trying to get you off the aircraft. That's all we're trying to do.
Do a control situation. If I get off the plane, you said you wouldn't arrest me. So you as a cop should have to honor that.
We're trying
right?
not to arrest
No, you should though. You should have to honor that. That's my right.
Go talk to the captain. Tell him we need to remove her.
It really is though. That's my right. It's like you need to. No, we're getting to the point where you're not respecting my human rights as a constitution. That's not cool. I didn't do anything that did anything to... No, man. That's not okay, dude. That's not okay. You know it.
29 Central, 10:15.
Why did you have
10:15 or 10:45?
You represent power. You represent power.
Get over here. Up against the wall. You're going to be placed in handcuffs, okay?
I see your phone.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Yeah,
Dude.
we tried talking to you.
No, you really didn't. I talked back to you, and I was calm, and you honestly acknowledged me for a moment, and then you didn't.
Leave your hands there.
Why did you do that? Like that. You didn't have to do that like that. It didn't have to be like that.
Come with me.
I wasn't doing it.
Come with me.
No, man. This shit is fucked up, and you are a part of this system. It's fucked up, and you don't. me in my eyes. That's not real, man. That's
Just grab her bag.
Real, man.
Is there a bag on
Yeah,
there?
yeah, she had a green backpack.
That's not real, man. I know that's not real. You just said if I got up and walked out and you
You have a vehicle?
why did you talk to me like that? I didn't do anything wrong. I was
Let's
just
go. This
speaking
way,
my
this way.
mind, man.
We didn't have time to
Why
detain.
are you doing that? See, you lied right there, man. You said if I got up.
Stop.
No. Why would I stop when you lie to me? How is anyone gonna stop anything when you lie to them?
You had your chance, ma'am.
I had my chance.
I
You
asked
didn't even
you-
give me
I
a
asked
chance. I
you-
looked at you in your eyes,
asked you
and
10
I
times.
knew you were lying to me. No. Don't. You can't bullshit a bullshitter. That's funny. No. That was the resistance that you felt. No.
I asked you
You're
5 times
better
to
than
get off that plane.
dude. You're
I asked
better
you
than
5
I
times.
saw you outside before I even came in with your mask off. No, you're better than that. That's not cool.
Put it in.
That's not cool, dude. It's really not. It's really not. I am not a person hurting anybody. I'm a person hurting. This is not
Cut it off.
no, that's not okay. You're gonna fucking arrest me for what? What are you arresting me
Interference with flight operations and trespass after running. That's what you're getting arrested for.
for?
Okay?
You know I'm furious right now.
Yes, we are.
You want to take it to the other side?
We're just gonna pat her
I have
down
a
real quick.
fucking cat. I need to get home to. Like, what?
Alright, do me a
She's
favor,
gonna pat
widen
you
your
down.
stance for me, please, alright?
What? I didn't do anything. You're mad. This system is fucked, and you give me all the reasons to keep saying what I said. Like in the eyes you
Is this
give me,
open or
you
not?
do. Like really, all of you, you know you're fighting for a system that isn't just to you. All you do, you know that. You know that. You really do. And if you don't, then that's just fucked up. I'm like,
Hey, have a seat.
how did
Watch your head.
Why? Cruel motherfucking
Yeah, it's been a lot of talk. I had to pull her off an aircraft, so I don't know how she's gonna act now, but she's been chirping the whole time, so we'll see how it goes. All right, ready to step out? Are you gonna comply with everybody?
No, with you two, yes. Not with you, because you're a liar.
Okay.
No, he said the reason he
You
has
guys
me
ready?
arrested right now is fucking wise. You looked at me in my eyeballs. I looked at you outside of the plane before I ever went in there. You didn't have masks
No.
on. No, can I say something before anybody takes me out so that I can just say what I have to say? And then I can say what I have to say, and then that's... I will do what y'all want me
take
to
her
do
out?
because I'm here now.
Oh, okay.
No, it's...
Here.
I don't get... It doesn't matter about that. What matters is that you have an unjust officer that's abusing his power, and you need to know that, Timothy.
Hey. Can I
RSW, my mother's a social worker, and you're about to, like, really... Because you made eye contact with me before I ever got on that plane. You acknowledged the fact that you weren't wearing a mask.
Hey.
And then you got on the plane, and then you made eye contact with me, and then you manipulated the situation. No, that's what happened. Like, I'm sorry, that's what happened. So, I know the...
Here, let me get your temperature at least.
Anybody? No? Yeah?
We're just gonna take them.
No, I'm not
appreciate
complaining,
it.
you guys.
Thanks.
Y'all just... And,
trying
oh,
to
you think
help
he's
you.
cute? Oh, yeah, I thought he was cute, too. I thought he was cute, too. I looked in his eyeballs, and I thought he looked into my eyeballs, and then he abused that.
Hello.
Yeah.
What's your name?
And this is an abusive
Interference with
officer
flight
right here. No,
operations.
seriously,
Trespassing
please
after
just
warning.
get somebody
Her
to
name
listen to me.
is
What's your name?
Gabrielle.
I don't want to tell you anything until you listen to what I'm saying. That I am being arrested for things that are unjust. I was on an airplane. I was doing nothing. I was speaking. my mind. I should not be arrested right now,
Okay, but
man.
right now, we have to follow procedures and we'll get to the bottom of what's happening.
You're not following my human rights. These are my constitutional procedures, okay? But I need to follow your procedures,
Step out.
right?
Step out. Take your leg out.
Can I have your name, please, first? Can we just adopt something
Okay.
that makes me want to be safe? Why can I not be safe?